Twin flame relaxation, living the connection through inner safety and presence. Find a comfortable position and allow your body to settle, and gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in, and as you breathe out, let the day begin to fade away. With every exhale, your muscles soften, your shoulders drop, your jaw relaxes, your legs and arms are pleasantly heavy. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to go. This moment is enough. Bring your awareness gently to your chest, to the space of your heart. Feel its rhythm, steady, calm, alive. Each heartbeat reminds you that you are here, that you are safe, that you are supported. With every breath, a gentle warmth begins to glow inside your heart space. Soft energy, like a quiet inner home you can always return to. Allow this warmth to expand slowly. Flowing through your shoulders, your back, your arms and hands, your hips, your legs, all the way to your feet. This light is not effort, it's remembrance. The remembrance of peace. The remembrance of inner stability. The remembrance that you are held by life itself. And now, simply become aware of your twin flame connection. There is no need for images, no need for distance or closeness, and no need for answers. Just the feeling of resonance. Just a quiet knowing that exists beyond time and space. And silently say within yourself, I'm connected through love, not through fear. I trust the unfolding of my twin flame journey. In this moment, I'm exactly where I need to be. Let these words sink gently into your body and notice how your nervous system softens, how your breath becomes slower, and how your mind grows quieter. Just feel how safety doesn't come from outside. It rises from within. And now bring your attention to the simplicity of everyday life, the sensation of breathing in and out, the warmth of sunlight on your skin, and the sound of life moving gently around you. These ordinary moments carry deep magic. Each one whispers, "You are whole. You are grounded. You are enough." And now silently repeat, "I allow life to meet me with ease." I no longer rush the journey. Love lives within me right now. There is no future to chase and no past to repair. There is only this moment. And in this moment, you are always free. You feel comfortable in your own presence, at home within yourself, relaxed in who you are becoming. And you enjoy your own energy, your own rhythm, and your own unfolding path. There is joy in simply being you. And you no longer hold yourself back. You no longer wait to be chosen. You allow life to move through you naturally. And you are safe to express yourself. Safe to rest. Safe to expand. And everything is arriving in its own time. Take a deeper breath now and feel your body resting beneath you. Your arms and legs feel warm and heavy. And you inhale and exhale in your own pace. Now begin gently moving your fingers, your toes, and stretch softly if it feels good. When you are ready, open your eyes and carry this sense of peace with you. And remember, you are never separated from your twin flame in consciousness. You are never disconnected from love. And in the present moment, you are always safe, supported, and whole.